Morning, everybody. Just got done with the morning dip, and I want to share some vitality mentality stuff with you. And this one is about the most important story. What is the most important story? The most important story is literally the story that you tell yourself. And so it's so important to make it a good one. Because the story we tell ourselves and about our life, and whether life is conspiring for our good or it is harsh, whether it is for us or is happening to us, whether it's happening for us or to us, these things truly affect the subconscious, which creates our reality. Let me give you an example. Somebody who truly identifies as a vital person, like it's in their identity. Like, for example, that's how I grew up, very physical, athletic. It's one of the things that were valued by my parents, my brother, my family, and so it became part of me. And so vitality is easier for me. So this is money, this is success, this is weight loss, this is strength, this is the way that this is relationship. It's all those important conversations that all us human beings have about the human condition. And so those circumstances come from the story that we're telling ourselves. So I want to encourage you all to start telling yourself a story that supports you. And you may have to acknowledge what you have been telling yourself and change the words. So let me give you a little practice here. Acknowledge, first of all, okay, what am I doing that's not supporting me? What story am I telling myself that is not supporting me? And then start changing that story and saying things like, I am valuable. I am good. I am loved. I am lovable. I am safe. I have purpose. And going into other parts of your life, like your body, I am strong. I am healthy. I am attractive. My body is in perfect harmony. I am youthful. And keep going with all the stuff and feel it. So once you start saying the words and thinking these thoughts, the next part is to really feel it and remember, if you can't feel it in this moment, remember the feeling of the last time you felt those things. And the point here is to train our minds and condition our minds for that kind of power. Because when we start to and stay in that habit, it will become part of our story and it will become part of our subconscious. And this is how we change. Okay, this is the gift of being a human, is that we actually have our mind and our imagination and our thoughts that we can choose. We can choose the inner chatter. It's like you being your own coach, or you being the parent to yourself and saying to yourself what you need to hear. Okay, you have that capacity. Even though there may be another voice, you can always override that voice with a positive, connected message. A message of empowerment and of your value, because you are valuable and you have something to offer the world. And it's really important that you do it. And you can do it and you will do it. So I want to leave you all with that and give you that practice of start to think in a way that supports you. Start telling yourself a story and getting more and more detailed about all the goodness of you, that you're lovable, that you have purpose, that you're strong, that your body is attractive and capable, and that you have the right relationships coming into your life, and that you have everything that you need. And I know that it may not change your circumstances right away, but when you change your mind, that changes your life. Because if you think of two people having the same experience, one person may be saying that experience is shitty, it sucks. And then the other person is like, man, that was amazing. This is amazing. And it could be a difficult experience of, discomfort, right? Like going in the river, for example. Okay, I hope this helps you all. I hope it brings some support to you. If you know anybody else who might benefit from it, please share it with them. and follow, like, and share this video, and also ask questions. I love to hear your questions. Okay, sending you all love, and take good care of yourselves, and stay strong and aligned.